Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is a Miele cat and dog. I think it's a motorized but vacuum motorized carpet brush from a vacuum cleaner. It's got a load of stuff wrapped around it and I have a feeling it's turned, but it might have a broken belt, so I'm going to have a look and see what's wrong with it. So we open these up, they unscrew. There's that one, and then this one, unscrew. This should lift up. Yeah, that's it. Could use a clean. There's something stuck in here, like a bit of tape, and wrapped around it. Okay. Now, how does this come out? That flex is there, and I can see actually that it's connected. If you look right in here, you can see the vacuum motor in there. So as the vacuum sucks, these blades here, right in there, motorize around. So there must be a little belt in here, but I don't need to open it today. I just need to get this cut off. So I'll get a scissors. Get a scissors on here and get this cut off. And like, this is pretty gross, but I don't really care. I'd rather have a working vacuum cleaner. Some people don't, and they leave these things out because they can't be bothered to fix them, clean them. It feels like there's some wrapped around in here as well, but I'll get this off first. Looks to have been something that belonged to a red-haired girl, judging by the colour of the hair. It doesn't appear to be pet hair. It's too strong by my reckoning. It's like I'm doing this in real time because it doesn't take very long. It's a pretty good demonstration then, I think. Now there's a bit of dust stuck in there as well, but ultimately when you turn on the vacuum cleaner with this done up like this and cleaned up like this, it's gonna suck all that dust away. So I'd give it a shake outside into a dustbin, but I'm not too worried about it. You could probably do this without the scissors, but does speed it up a little bit. Bit of fluff stuck in along there, along with more hair. I don't know what this is, some kind of pink thread or something. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that's about as good as it's going to get, I think. There's a slider here on the front, and I wonder what it does, so I just want to see. Oh, it opens a vent in the bottom there. Not sure where the dust would go if that vent wasn't opened, but I don't know if you can see that right in there. Right down there. That's all. Right. That's the dust that was in it. These have little threads on them. Normally these are little T-locking pieces or something like that. This one has threads, so hook it on over the bottom. Snap it shut. tighten them up as far as they'll go, I guess. Don't be too heavy-handed. Check your wheels spin. Sometimes the wheels get a load of hair wrapped around them as well. That's it. Like, the hose is clear, or the pipe work is clear. That's how you clean it. The Miele cat and dog. Let's see if we got a model number there. STB200205, STB201 Varlo. Don't know what those mean, but that maybe is useful. And there's a little rubber squeegee on there as well. I guess that's to help it on floors that don't have carpet on them. And you can check those little wheels as well. Excellent. Thanks for watching. See you later.